Hi dear student, today we are going to study about the mathematics of 10th standard. In previous lecture we have completed the basic concept of linear equation. Now we are going to study quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Guys, we know that all the concept of linear equation. Linear equation is a type of equation which have two variable and degree 1. Similarly, quadratic equation is a type of equation which have degree 2. The basic difference between them, in quadratic equation the degree of the equation is 2 and the general formula of or general or standard formula of quadratic equation is what? Guys, you know that the basic idea about quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a should be any constant value and b or c should be 0, depend on the condition, but a is never be 0. This is the basic concept or general form of quadratic equation, and the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. So guys, as similar to the linear equation, there are two methods to solve the linear equation: elimination method and second one is substitution method. Now similarly we have three methods to solve the quadratic equation. With these three methods we are going to solve the all quadratic equation. So guys, the first method is known as the factorization method. Second one is known as completing square method. And third is known as formula method. Guys, sometimes it is called Sridharacharya method, formula method or Sridharacharya method, because it is derived by the Indian mathematician Sridharacharya. That's why on the honor of the Sridharacharya this name is coined. So guys, we are going to find out the value of roots, means the value of x with the help of factorization method. So just take any example. Suppose that m square minus 14m plus 13 equals to 0. Then how can we solve them? Initially we have three terms: first term, second term and third term. So first of all we can make them fourth term, means split the middle term in two parts. How can we split them? So guys, compare that ax square, general form of bx plus c equals to c, general form of quadratic equation. So whenever we compare them, then the product of b and c, find out first of all product of a and c. Product of a into c. What is the value of a here? A is a constant, so the value of a is 1. So 13 multiplied by 1 become 13, and the value of b is 14. So just go and find out two number whose product will become 13 and whose addition or subtraction become 14. So guys, we have two number 13 and 1, because the multiplication between 13 and 1 become 13, and addition or subtraction of 13 and 1 means addition become 14. Okay, so we have two number 13 and 1. Now split the middle term in two parts. So it become m square minus 14m become minus 13m and minus m, because minus 13m minus m become minus 14m plus 13 equals to 0. Now here we take common m in between them. So here m in common, m minus 13. Again here there is not a term which is common in both of them, so we take minus 1 common. Got it? Minus 1 common, so here will be m minus 13 also. So there are two terms. So in first term m minus 13, second term is also m minus 13, so we get m minus 13 common. Now here will be m minus 1 in second bracket. Now m minus 13 multiply with m minus 1 equals to 0, means product of two value becomes 0. Whenever the product of two value becomes 0, whenever either one of them 0, otherwise they don't become 0. So either m minus 13 0 or m minus 1 0. So from here m equals to 13 and from here m equals to 1. So guys, we have two value of roots, which is 13 and 1. So guys, we are going to again find out the next method, formula method. You know that formula method is also known as Sridharacharya method. Sridharacharya method, as I told you, it is derived by the next Indian mathematician Sridharacharya. That's why on the honor of the name of Sridharacharya. So guys, suppose that formula method is derived, the direct formula, how we find out the, whenever there is factorization method is not applicable, completing square method is not applicable, then we apply the formula method. It means formula method is applicable for any kind of quadratic equation. It is applicable for any kind of quadratic equation. So suppose that the value of root is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the standard formula of formula method. Whenever we put all the value of a, b and c in this standard formula, then we find out the value of root, where alpha is the root. Alpha is the root of the equation. Is it clear? Suppose that we are taking an example. We have again m square minus 14m plus 13. So how we solve them with the help of Sridharacharya method? So compare them with standard form of quadratic equation. Compare them standard form of quadratic equation. So guys, we know that a equals to, from here 1, b equals to minus 14 and c equals to 13. Whenever we compare the given equation with quadratic equation, then a equals to 1, b equals to minus 14 and c equals to 13. Now put these values in the standard equation, which is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. So this produces you the value of m. Okay. Now put here minus 14 plus minus root b square. The value of b is minus 14 square minus 4 into a equals to 1 into c equals to 13 whole upon 2 into a 1. So from here x equals to minus multiply with minus become plus, so plus 14 plus minus root minus 14 square, guys, it become 196 minus become minus 14 multiply with minus 40 become plus 196 and minus 13 4 52 upon 2. Now here x is equals to 14 plus minus root 196 minus 52, 6 minus 2 4, 9 minus 5 4 and 1 upon 2. So you know that root 144 is equals to 12. Now put the value of here. So 14 plus minus 12 upon 2. Now again solve it, then you find out the value of the given roots. So guys, x equals to whenever we take here positive sign means x positive, then it is 14 plus 12 upon 2, which is 26 upon 2, means x positive produce the value of 13. And whenever the value of here is negative, then x negative is equals to 14 minus 12 upon 2, which is 2 upon 2, means x produces the negative value 1. So guys, we have the value of roots x equals to 13 and 1. This is the value of given roots in form of formula method.